Welcome to this German lesson. We're going to be learning about the names of places in German, and you're going to learn very simple ways to ask for directions and talk about directions. So let's jump into that. We're going to go through common place words in German. I want you to also focus on the noun gender, der, die, or das, and try to remember them as we go through the vocabulary. How to ask where something is, how to say where something is in town, and how to make short sentences with ist. So let's look at those new vocabulary words. Der Supermarkt is the supermarket. Die Schule is the school. Der Park, the park. Das Café, the cafe. Das Restaurant, the restaurant. Der Bahnhof, the train station. Die Apotheke, the pharmacy. Das Hotel, the hotel. Die Bank, the bank. Das Museum, the museum. Now, let's use those words and learn how to ask where something is. It's a very simple phrase. Wo ist? Where is? Wo ist der Supermarkt? Where is the supermarket? Wo ist die Schule? Where is the school? Wo ist das Café? Where is the cafe? It's a simple sentence pattern, but it's very useful when you need to ask for directions. Now, how do you make a statement about where something is? We'll say, blank ist in der Stadt, is in the town. Practice with me. Der Supermarkt ist in der Stadt. The supermarket is in the town. Die Schule ist in der Stadt. The school is in the town. Das Café ist in der Stadt. The cafe is in the town. In der Stadt is a helpful phrase. You'll probably use it and hear it a lot. Now you might know that ist is a form of sein, and sein means to be in German. So ist is very similar to the English word is. Der Supermarkt ist. The supermarket is. They're very similar. It makes it easier to learn. Die Schule ist. The school is. Das Café ist. The cafe is. So we're going to use this sentence pattern. Place plus ist plus the location. We'll say der Park ist. The park is in der Stadt. Or we could say das Hotel ist hier. The hotel is here. Hier and here are very similar in both languages. Or die Bank ist da. The bank is there. Da is another useful word, very short and simple. There. Da. So hier means here. Da means there. And der Stadt is in the town. And we could say das Museum ist hier. The museum is here. Now notice Museum is pronounced much differently in German. Instead of mu, we're saying mu. Mu, ze, So it says 3 syllables. Museum. In English, we say museum. It's more like 2 syllables. Der Bahnhof ist da. The train station is there. Die Apotheke ist in der Stadt. The pharmacy is in town. Let's practice asking and saying where something is. Wo ist der Bahnhof? Where is the train station? Der Bahnhof ist da. The train station is there. Wo ist das Hotel? Where is the hotel? Das Hotel ist hier. The hotel is here. Wo ist die Bank? Where is the bank? Die Bank ist in der Stadt. The bank is in the town. Next, if you go to the A1 German course website, you'll find the exercise to match the places. And you can drag the words into the correct boxes and practice your vocabulary again. So the supermarket, what was that? Der Supermarkt. And the school, die Schule. The park, der Park. And you can check your answers when you're done. If you want to learn more about giving directions in German in detail, I suggest going to the German Directions blog post. It's linked in the A1 German course for you. I'll see you in the next German lesson.